Hello dear friends, today I am going to share a very happy news with you that I have booked for a Tata Tiago electric vehicle and I am going to get it delivered by Sunday today. So already we have got our charging point installed in our home. So I am just showing you a video regarding the charging point because all of you will be interested to see how it looks like. See, it goes to the main switch. From the connection comes from the main switch of the house, and now this is the charging unit of the the vehicle. And in terms of charging options, Tata Tiago is offered with 3.3 kilowatt wall box charger and a 7.2 kilowatt AC fast charger. So I've gone in for 3.3 kilowatt wall charger. You can open it with a key, see over here, and once you open it, inside you can see there is a separate main switch for the unit alone, to control the unit alone, and also you can see a plug point for inserting the car charger. And once you put the charger inside, there is an option for closing it and locking it with the key, because during night if you are putting it on charger, then you need not be worried about anyone taking it from here, taking the charger out from here, because once you lock it, then there is no fear. See, this is the charging unit. You can carry it separately anywhere you go. You can keep it in your car, and inside you can see that this is the charging unit, and this is the part which should be inserted into the vehicle, and you can open the cap for this and insert it into the vehicle. And so normally with a 15 ampere plug point, the charging time from 10 to 100% is around 7 hours for medium range version and 8.7 hours for long range version. So that's all for today.